Hi guys, thanks for joining me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a vertical scroll bar in HTML. Create here a div tag, then give a class name to the opening of the div tag. Inside the div tag, let's say we have these many texts. Now inside the style tag, we have to write CSS. Here I have already written the CSS. Let's select and copy our CSS. Paste the CSS here. If you want to adjust the width, just change this value. You can also increase or decrease the height. If you want to customize your scroll bar further, you can use the additional CSS code here. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Chogyal. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.